how you can benefit from our 360-degree solution for medical cannabis. This is Mr. Miller. He'd like to apply for a grower's license for medical cannabis. As a professional in the field, he knows that from facility construction to processing to storage, he must comply with many guidelines and laws to ensure pharmaceutical security. And on the financial side, he obviously wants his company to succeed. This complexity requires comprehensive expertise. But where can he find it? With Weiss Technik, the 360-degree solution for producers of medical cannabis. We combine our years of experience in horticulture, pharmaceutical technology and cleanroom technology into a one-stop solution for medical cannabis. Even in the planning stage, Mr. Miller gets everything under one roof. This helps us ensure that the elements fit seamlessly. This results in GACP consistent growing rooms. Thanks to uniform conditions and a smart airflow ventilation concept, these optimize the plant's metabolisms and produce predictably high yields. Also, Mr. Miller can count on the plant's even drying under GMP conditions. The subsequent processing takes place in a clean room that we design and implement. This way, the entire process meets pharmaceutical standards. And when it comes to storage, Mr. Miller again benefits from Weiss Technik. His storage spaces are monitored with software and sensors, continuously meeting the requirements stipulated by the Cannabis Agency. This includes the storage of reference samples. Mr. Miller can rely on our years of expertise in the pharma industry. Mr. Miller uses Sympathy, our GMP-compliant monitoring system for surveillance and standards-compliant documentation of the entire production process. And if there ever are any issues, our worldwide network of service technicians is on call around the clock. Mr. Miller is excited about this one-stop, hassle-free solution. Thanks to Weiss Technik, he has obtained his license and can be confident now and in the future that his facility meets all requirements and produces high yields. For more information, see our website.